Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the Acerpure Cool Series Purifier 2-in-1 air circulator and purifier. It offers a powerful fan experience, crisp air quality readings, and the ability to eliminate unpleasant odors. However, its design might not be for everyone. The Acerpure Cool Series Purifier may not have the most appealing appearance, resembling something you'd find in an office in Asia rather than a sleek European design. If aesthetics are a top priority for you, this might not be the best choice. But don't let the looks deter you, as this purifier is packed with features to improve your home's air quality. It comes with a remote control and offers various functions, including oscillation and Wi-Fi capability. Setup is a breeze, and the clear instructions make it easy to get started. The touch control panel is responsive, and the display provides useful stats, including PM 2.5 levels, gas status, and filter replacement indication. The Smart Mode allows you to let the purifier do its job without constant adjustments. The fan is a standout feature, providing a cool breeze and effective air circulation, especially when set to higher speeds. The appliance works quietly and efficiently, leaving you undisturbed. Overall, the Acerpure Cool Series Purifier is on par with other air purifiers available today. While its design might not be to everyone's liking, its functionality and performance make it a worthy option, particularly for a bedroom or office setting. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on various products. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, breathe easy with the Acerpure Cool Series Purifier.